Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kai and today I'm gonna quickly Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kai and today I'm gonna be talking about this lens, this macro lens from Sony. It is the F2.8 90mm macro lens from the G series. So first off, this is definitely not a cheap lens. It costs $1,100 on BH Photo, but of course with the price it comes with a lot of good qualities. So the first thing you notice about this lens is that it has a really good build quality. It is all made of metal and the focus ring is also metal. In general, a real macro lens should have at least a 1:1 magnification ratio. And as you can see, this one does have a 1:1 ratio. One thing that I really love about this focus ring is that when you pull back, it automatically switches to manual focus. And when you push it forward, it becomes autofocus. So at the side of the lens, you'll notice that there's three functions. One of it is a button below the logo G. The button here is meant to be customized, so you can set it to whatever function you want it to be. But the default of it is a focus lock. And next to it, you will see a switch for three different focus range. The first one is full. Second one is infinite to 0.5 meter. The third one is 0.5 meter to 0.28 meter. Lastly, below the focus range switch, you will see a switch for optical steady shot. Sometimes I'm shooting outside and I need to have a lower shutter speed. The optical steady shot really helps a lot. So some people might say that Sigma or Laowa also have really good macro lens, which is true. But I think when you're using a Sony lens, the autofocus always work better. There's not like a huge difference when it comes to autofocus, but Sony is just tiny bit faster than other lens company. You know, if you're just looking for that autofocus speed, then go for Sony. Also, for those who tried the Sigma 70mm 2.8 macro art lens, the autofocus is pretty noisy. And when you're using the Sony 90mm one, is much quieter than the Sigma lens. So not only the autofocus, I think the quality overall for both videos and photos is really satisfying, and I use it for both. So I think when it comes to buying camera equipment, not just lens but camera body or other stuff, sometimes spending more money means saving more money, because if you're just trying to save a few $100s for a lens, and like for now, because you just want to save money. But for example, you're getting a lens that doesn't have optical steady shot, okay, if it's a bit cheaper, so you get that one without OSS. But then a few years later, one project came up and that really requires OSS to make a really good output. Then you're gonna have to get the one with OSS eventually. You're still gonna get it, and you're gonna spend more money because you cannot use the old one that you bought. So in this sense, obviously it really depends on what you're doing. I think for a commercial standpoint, getting a reliable lens and good quality, a lens that you can really trust and don't have like stupid weird thing going on when you really need it to be stable, is really important. So really think about it. I'm talking specifically for those who are shooting commercial. If you're just shooting for fun, for hobby, then don't need to care. Save as much money as you want. I think this lens is a good investment. We did a lot of stuff with it and no regrets. So this is a really short video. I just want to share my experience with this lens, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.